Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2013 F-150 FX4 with a body-colored bumper with a blacked-out grille. It also comes in a blue flame metallic color with a black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This is a 4x4 and it has a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine. It also has a trailer tow package. And with that FX4 package, it means that you've got hill descent and skid plates. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your lighting controls located here. The steering wheel tilts and telescopes, and there's power pedals located off to the side. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, sync voice activated system, and media control with volume. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see the important messages. As well, there's a menu that we can toggle through. So you're seeing gauge mode, trip AB, fuel economy, truck apps, settings, information, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, there's a little cubby up above, as well as your hill descent and traction control. You have a display screen, and on there is your media, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as you have a CD player. And when you put your vehicle in reverse, I'm just going to show you in the rear view mirror. Sorry, not in the rear view mirror. Yes, there you go, is your backup camera view. And I'm just going to put it back into park. And then down below, there's your CD player. And you have your hazard lights, volume and tuner. As well, you have your AC, max AC, front and rear defrost. There's your control for your fan and your temperature. And just below here, I'm going to pop down, is the controls for heated seats for both driver and passenger. Off to the side is 4x4 with locking differential and an integrated trailer brake controller. Your automatic select shifter also has tow haul and sport. And you'll see that appear to the right of the odometer reading, and then it goes off again when I press it one more time. You have a couple of cup holders there, and your armrest opens up. There's a bin inside. You open that for more storage. There's also auxiliary line in as well as USB. Off to the side is your 12-volt outlet and a glove compartment. Up above, an auto-dimming rear view mirror. You also have a universal garage door opener. There's lighting controls, and not one, but 2 sunglass holders. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, black running board, body-colored door handle with keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The body-colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is located just below that Ford badge, and your backup sensors are on your bumper. You have a trailer hitch, 4 and 7-pin connector, as well as a locking spare tire. When we open up the tailgate, you're going to notice inside it's got this nice all-weather mat, as well as tie downs in all 4 corners. It also has a tailgate step, making it easier to get in, and on your fob you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. And then to bring it back down, simply pull the clip and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, an all-weather mat on the floor for easy cleanup, and slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage. In the center, a couple of cup holders, the air vents, and a 110 outlet, as well as 12 volt. In the body, there's grab handles up above, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a sliding window. Body colored bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer. Body colored bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.